Hello there. Today I am going to show you how to make a paper pot. So paper pots are really good for planting plants that have sensitive root systems, any plant really, but specifically plants with sensitive root systems, because you can start the seed in the paper pot and it will do its thing. You can put the whole thing right in the garden. You don't have to like transplant it or pull it out or do anything like that. So I'm going to show you how to make one. So with this size newspaper, you have to really make sure that the edges match up, so that it gets a little bit annoying because the fold is actually not quite halfway. So just make sure you get it the right way. And then you're going to fold it like this way. I've already done a couple folds on this one, as you can see. So then you're going to open it back up and take this corner. So this is your open end. Take this corner, fold it into the middle. And the same over here. And then you want to take this edge and meet this edge. So you fold this down like this. And then you're going to fold it once more over that edge. Then you flip it over. And you fold towards the center line on both sides. And then you fold this open edge up again to meet this spot, this edge. And then you fold it again at that edge. And then you want to take this edge here and tuck it in here to make like, well, it's like a little pocket. So that it gets a little bit tricky in this area, but just sort of like press it and get it in as well as good as you can. This one obviously is kind of pushing out. This is just, each newspaper is a different size and does kind of different things, but this works out okay. So then you want to take this pointy part and fold it along this seam. And then you want to fold it again the other way. And then this is another little tricky spot. You want to take this point and just fold it to this corner. So it's going to look like this, and you're just going to press this part here to that edge. So when you open it up, that part crinkles in and folds up and creates a bottom. And then you basically just sort of crease your edges, make sure it's nice and solid, and get it shaped, and there you go. You got a little paper pot. So yeah, you just fill this with soil, put your seed in there, and once your seed is growing inside and you're happy and it's ready for the garden, you just plunk this right into the garden, and your plant roots will go right through the newspaper, and the newspaper is carbon, so it'll feed your plant as well, and you're going to have a much happier, healthier plant doing it this way.